Okay, let's do Stanley Rosenberg's basic exercise together. Super simple. It's only going to take us about 3 minutes, maybe less. We're going to start by putting our hands, interlacing our fingers and putting them behind our head. You're kind of holding your head and your neck together. If this hurts your shoulders, you don't have to put your hands behind your head. Okay, you can just keep your hands in your lap and we'll just do the eye movements together if that's the case. So you're going to put your hands behind your head if that's what you're doing. You're just going to support your head and your neck. And we're only using our eyes. So we're only going to be moving our eyes. You can move them in one direction to begin. So we're going to start with the left, moving your eyes to the left. And you're just kind of looking into your peripheral vision on the left. This shouldn't feel like a strain. It shouldn't hurt. And we'll probably be here for 30 seconds. You might be here for up to 90 seconds or 2 minutes. And how you know that it's working, how you know that you're getting something out of this exercise is you're going to start to notice a physical response. And this isn't something that you have to try for. Your body is going to do this. So I just did one of them. So one of them is a swallow reflex. Another might be that you feel the urge to yawn. You might actually yawn, but sometimes it just feels like you have the urge to yawn. And the final one, which my body also just did, is a deep breath that kind of fills you up involuntarily. And once you have one of these reactions, you're just going to bring your eyes back to the center. And then let's try the other side. So you can move your eyes to the right. And you'll also just hang out here for a little bit. It might take 5 seconds, it might take 30, could take a couple of minutes. And again, we're not straining. And we're also not trying to make anything happen because this is, again, a reflex of your body. It's just something that your body knows how to do. And what's happening when you have these physical reactions like a swallow, a yawn, or a big deep breath, it's your nervous system down regulating. So you're going to notice as soon as you take your hands down, whenever you feel like you're complete, you can close your eyes and just check in with yourself. How does it feel now? What was that like for you? And I'm not going to tell you how you should feel, but it's possible. And most people, when I do this in my practice with them, you're gonna feel some sense of relaxation. It's possible some tension will release, even a sense of spaciousness in your mind, like maybe your mind isn't thinking so hard anymore. You can take a fuller breath, those kinds of things. So just check in. How does this feel for you? And I'd love to hear if you tried this exercise, what it was like for you and what you noticed.